I'm delighted to introduce you to my biodiversity cake. It is an old family recipe. It's a recipe that my grandmother made from the earliest 1900s. But what I've done is I've expanded it a little bit and tried to highlight the fact that it is a representation of the wealth of plant life that provides us with wonderful resources for food. The biodiversity cake, my biodiversity cake, contains 18 to 20 different plant species. You can see in this cake really almost the history of plant life and its use to support the human species. Many of the plants that are found in this recipe are tropical, but there are also temperate ones. We have, for example, in the climatron here at the garden, we have a specimen of the Myristica fragrans, which is native to the Banda Islands of the Moluccas of Indonesia, and that provides us with nutmeg. To start, line a 10-inch round cake tin with a double layer of greaseproof paper and brush the paper with melted butter. You really want to make sure that the mixture as it's cooking doesn't stick to the tin. Tie a double layer of brown paper or perhaps parchment paper around the outside of the tin. To make the mixture, sift all of the dry ingredients into a large mixing bowl. Mix in the fruit, the nuts, the peel. In a separate bowl, cream the butter, the sugar and the grated lemon rind and beat it until it's nice and light and fluffy. Then beat in the 8 eggs, one at a time. Add an extra one if you think the mixture needs it. If they're small eggs, you might need 1 or maybe even 2 more. Stir the egg and the butter mixture into the flour and fruit mixture, and then add in the lemon juice. Add in 4 tablespoons of the whiskey and the molasses. The mixture should be soft and moist. Level the top of the mixture and bake the cake in a preheated oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 1.5 hours. Then reduce the heat to 250 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for another 3 to 3.5 hours. Cover the cake with brown paper during the last few hours of cooking to prevent it burning. When it's cooked, remove from the oven and leave to cool a bit before turning it out upside down onto a rack. When it's completely cool, wrap it in aluminium foil. And then after about a week, make a few holes in it with a skewer. A knitting needle works really nicely. And pour over the whiskey that you've left and rewrap it. And that will help to preserve it and keep it moist for when you want to eat it. For a holiday cake, many people will ice it with almond paste and then ice it for the holidays and decorate it. When you eat this fruitcake, do remember how the plant kingdom provides us with so many remarkable products that we can use in a creation like this, and celebrate the richness of the plant world that combines with human ingenuity to produce a delicious food.